Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why y'all mad, my pockets fat cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band.
So y'all, what we're about to do is put this vanity together. Okay y'all, so got tools. We're gonna try to do the drawers. We're gonna try to get them together. I don't know why this has. Oh, this is wood shavings. So, all these together because they all the same.
Those are 24s, Mom.
I know. Get them out my way.
This is a 1.
These are the drawers, so I really don't care about nothing.
A 1.
Those are the things that go in the drawers.
This
This goes in like the bottom part of the drawer. So this is the part that's gonna slide like this. And the drawers. Yeah. 4. What 4 is
Those
that?
are 1s.
This is a 4.
Well, we need a pile for the 4s. We don't have a 4 pile yet. Wait till the 4 pile is complete. This is a 6.
This is a 15.
Or is it a 9? I don't know. But
Kind of hard with this because it's a small screwdriver, but we don't have 2 big ones. We might do. I don't know where my other screwdriver is. I got a yellow screwdriver somewhere. That's for my heat press. You can put the pump on it. Okay, guys. I got 2 more to put in. And then we can play with that. Got a screwdriver? Let's take some screws and put it in. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and now I'm about to open these. Look how much we got that. The camera was yes, y'all. That's how much we got that. So for the before, and now we're going to get in with the finish the process.
Well, you guys, you already know what time it is. You reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we did filming the video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. If you're returning, thank you so much for your
Hit
continued
the road,
love
don't
and
even
support.
check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out.